Hello, this is Dr. Behnam. I'm a board-certified dermatologist in Santa Monica, California, and today is one of our lovely patients that we're seeing in the clinic today, and he has been using the topical finasteride spray, the droppers, and welcome back. Welcome.
Thank you.
So, can you tell us a little bit about this topical combination finasteride that you've been using for hair loss?
So it comes in it's a little liquid. It comes in a dropper. You just rub it in your hands. I kind of put it in my hair maybe once a day, maybe every other day. But what I noticed is that as soon as I started doing it a few months ago, my hair started growing in thicker and fuller and quicker as well. So I really like it.
Perfect, great. And how often are you using it? Once a day or once every other day?
I would say more once every other day.
Perfect, that's great.
Yeah.
Any side effects from it? Irritation or anything?
No side effects.
Okay, perfect. And would you recommend it to other people?
Absolutely.
And when you start using it, how quickly did you start to notice the hair growth?
Well, it's almost immediate. You can notice you get kind of a shine, and you get kind of a fullness that you kind of recognize as soon as you put it in your hair. But then you notice the hair growth after about, I'd say, even a couple weeks. You get rapid hair growth. All summer my hair was longer over the summer, and it was growing really fast.
That's perfect. Yeah, so the medication has topical finasteride in it. It also has prescription Rogaine and prescription retin-A. So all combined together is a really powerful, potent ingredient basically for causing hair growth. It is prescription. You can't get over the counter, but I truly believe also that it's very powerful. Most patients see results within a couple months, like 2 or 3 months, but we always tell patients to kind of give it usually between 3 to 6 months, But it sounds like you did really well with it. Would you recommend it to other people?
Absolutely. I mean, if you were to compare it to Rogaine, I mean, this is no comparison. I would highly recommend this solution.
Perfect, great. That's right, because Rogaine is only 5% minoxidil.
Mm-hmm.
This is 8% minoxidil mixed with topical finasteride. Topical finasteride is what people usually take like Propecia, but we have made it compounded and topical, so when you apply it to the scalp, majority of the Propecia stays on your scalp and doesn't go anywhere on the body. Any sexual side effects or anything from the topical finasteride?
Absolutely not.
Perfect, great. Well, I'm glad you're having great results. Thank you so much. And if there's any questions, let us know. Thank you.